What is up, Mavnation? Already the end of November. Time flies when you're having fun. But anyways, today we have a great show ready for you, so stay tuned. What's up, Mavnation? Today we're out here, and it's senior splash out time, that time of year, and we're going to be asking seniors what their strategies are for winning senior splash out. I'm pretty sure you win some money. I don't even really know, but we're going to find out. Are you going to be participating in senior splash out this year?
I am.
What is your strategy for it?
You know, just not going to go outside, not going to move. No one's going to see me. I'll be undercover.
Like a ninja.
Like a ninja.
Dude, I mess with that strategy. That's going to be my strategy too. Ooh, it's cold in here. There must be some seniors in the atmosphere. Are you going to be participating in senior splash out this year?
I missed the deadline.
I missed the deadline too, but like, if you could, what would your strategy be?
Try and wear a floaty like wherever possible. You know?
Okay, hypothetically, you're on a plane and you're going to a vacation with your family. You forgot your floaty and you see your classmate and he's got the water gun aimed at you on the plane. What are you saying to get out of that situation?
Just say I'm cooked, you know? You'd be pretty cooked. What would I do?
I mean, I got some ideas, but they're not for the camera.
All right, thank you.
Are y'all participating in senior splash out this year?
Yes, I am.
And what are your strategies for that?
Not get shot. To not get shot.
Yeah, but what are your strategies for that?
Get them all out before they get us out.
That's really American.
It's the American dream.
Yeah, shout out America. Your bad day to be a senior today. Why? Because I'm here. I'm out on the prowl for the seniors. Well. We got a senior just came out the bathroom. Wonder what he was doing in there. Excuse me. Are you gonna be participating in senior splash out?
Yeah.
What is your strategy?
So wear my floaty. I don't really have a strategy.
Like, what are you doing if like 8 people ambush you?
Well, I'll have my floaty on so they can't do anything. Yeah.
Wear those floaties. What is your strategy for senior splash out?
My strategy is gonna be to fight everyone.
Disclaimer, y'all, Senior Splash Out is not in any way affiliated with LCC. I wish you all the best of luck this year in Senior Splash Out. You're lucky I'm not going to be in it. Anyways, stay golden, have a great day, and let's go, Mavs. Maverick Indoor Percussion is back. On Wednesday, December 4th, the percussion program will be holding a clinic in the band room from 5 to 8. Come try out all the percussion instruments and get to know the members and coaches for the program. Looking for a drum set players and anyone looking to learn percussion. The LCC Winter Guard will hold a clinic on Tuesday, December 3rd from 5 to 8 p.m. in the band room. Come by to get free instruction on dance fundamentals and color guard choreography and learn more about the program. Equity in Alliance Club. Our club is dedicated to foster an inclusive and supportive environment where individuals can unite, advocate for social justice, and work together to get rid of inequality. We promote diversity, equity, and inclusion by raising awareness. The next club meeting is December 2nd. Be there.
Hey Mavericks, it's your sports anchor here at Jackson Corp. I was super lucky to be able to get on the Prep Pigskin Report for KUSI, so without further ado, I want to share my experience with you. Now, Nick Shipley, roll the clip.
Making his broadcast debut as PPR Pigskin Idol, Jackson Corp from La Casa County. Put your hands together for Jackson. Young man, got your camera, go for it.
Thank you, Paul, and thank you for tuning in tonight. My name is Jackson Corp, and I'm on La Casa Canyon's varsity golf team. Hey Mavericks, we just wanted to take a little time here to congratulate the boys water polo team on their CIF victory for Division II. Nick, do you have anything to say?
Shout out to our boys who are on the water polo team. They did a great job out there.
Let's go Mavericks.
Let's go Mavs.
And with that being said, that was our third episode of sports. Let's go Mavs.
Hey Mavs, I'm Angel, and welcome to a new segment called Angel Audits. In this segment, I will be going into a class that I have never taken before and see how I do. And today, we're going into French class.
Bienvenue, comment allez-vous?
Oh, hey, sorry I'm late.
Ça va, bienvenue.
Yeah.
Tout le monde, bienvenue. On va pratiquer un virlangue, ok? Écoute d'abord, oui? Ok. Angel, vas-y, go!
La roue sur la roue roule, la roue sur la roue reste.
Pas mal, not bad. Ok, je vais appeler sur Delaney et Angel. Venez à la table.
Oh.
Retournez-vous, go! La ville! Oh, il a copié, hein? Ok, pas mal.
Non.
Okay. Retournez-vous. Habiter. To live, Angel, évidemment.
No.
Okay.
No clue.
Okay, class. In which French department is the city of Chambéry? Angel.
Alpes Maritimes.
Oh non, qu'est-ce que vous pensez, classe? Évidemment, c'est la Savoie.
No, knew that.
Ok, mes élèves, joyeux vendredi, bon week-end, au revoir à tout le monde, merci beaucoup. Profite, il fait beau, bonne journée, bon vendredi, au revoir, merci.
Oh my God, finally the sun.
Merci, au revoir, bon week-end. Merci. Angel, reviens, come back.
Oh, me?
Oui, toi.
Oh, okay.
Assieds-toi, take a seat.
All right.
Okay, Angel, you probably know why you're sitting here after class. So why is that?
Yeah, I was very busy and I didn't have time to study, and so yeah.
Okay, definitely need to work on our pronunciation.
Yes.
Our numbers for sure.
Numbers.
Everything about French culture, pretty much just French. Okay,
everything.
So just like everything. So yeah.
Yeah, all right.
That's all right. We have a mutual understanding. Yes.
Yeah. I will work on that.
Merci beaucoup.
All right. Yeah, same.
Au revoir. Okay, merci.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Hey Mavs, Jesús Pineda here, and we got a Today in History segment again. And I have these three gentlemen here with me. Can I get some names?
I'm Colin.
I'm Anthony.
I'm Luke.
And do you guys know who the youngest heavyweight champion in history is?
Yeah. Ryan Garcia.
Nah, it's definitely Ryan Garcia, yeah.
Nah, it's Mike Tyson.
We got 1 for 3 guess here. Mike Tyson. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, dude, I never guessed that.
Congratulations.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
I'm here with
Zach Coons.
All right. Do you know which U.S. president was assassinated on November 22nd, 1963?
Oh, I don't know the first name, but the last name's F. Kennedy.
F. Kennedy?
Yeah.
JFK?
JFK.
Maybe JFK?
John F. Kennedy.
John F. Kennedy. There we go.
That's
hey,
it? That's it? I got it?
You got it. Yeah, you
let's
got
go.
it. Dang, good
Thank
job.
you. Let's go.
But did you know that the first Toy Story came out November 22nd, 1995?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
How do you feel about that?
It's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, pretty old. That's pretty old.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, next question. Who's your favorite Toy Story character?
Ooh, the green alien dude.
Green alien
Yeah.
dude? Oh, I love him.
I just relate to him so much.
Actually?
Yeah.
Oh, man, I love to hear that. All right. Thank you.
Safety, bro.
Thank you.
Who do I have with me?
Luke Uffelman and Jack Pryor.
And what are your guys' favorite Toy Story characters?
I'd say Lotso the bear from Toy Story 3.
Why is that?
He's just a cool guy, you know? He, like, takes batteries and stuff and fixes toys.
Is that all he does?
Yeah.
All right. How about you, Luke?
I like Mr. Potato Head.
And why is that?
I don't know. I think he's cool. He's got a cool mustache.
Mm-hmm.
Like
Anything
yours.
else?
Cool like yours. No, that's
anything
it.
else?
That's it. I
That's
like his
it?
glasses. But yeah.
Like me?
Yeah, just like you too.
Yeah. What are your guys' favorite Toy Story characters?
I like the dog. I like Slinky.
Probably Buzz Lightyear. It's my guy.
Hey guys, I'm Landon Fries.
I'm Ryder Dillinger.
And this is Art. So for this arts episode, we're gonna do a drawing contest between me and Ryder.
So I asked Snapchat AI to please give me some wacky, zany prompts for a drawing contest. And they gave me a list. And we're gonna pick some off this list. And we're gonna draw some of these. A giraffe wearing roller skates and juggling pineapples.
All right.
Is our first prompt.
I
will put 3 minutes on a clock. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh gosh.
Just have faith in yourself. Do giraffes have spots on? Yeah, they do.
These look like roller skates. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and we're done.
This is amazing, man. I didn't know you were such a great drawer. A superhero cat saving the city from giant vegetables. I think that's funny.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go! Where do I even start?
Gotta draw a cat, dog. I don't know.
Drawing my landscape.
Nice. I dig it, bro. It's a fat cat. That is not a cat. I like your carrot, though.
Thanks.
It's a pretty good carrot. This looks horrible.
I think before we go to the final round, I think we should go to a commercial.
How's blood test doing today?
Hey, Mr. Fletes, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. I'm hoping that everybody has a great fall break, spend some time with their family, their friends, any vacations that you're doing, and we'll see you when you guys get back. Have a great break.
Welcome back to Art's Drawing Contest. I hope you loved that brief commercial that you saw. A robot chef cooking up a storm in the kitchen.
Okay.
What a storm is. Okay, so we're going for the boxy design on this guy. Really got to show off his curves. Okay, I'm not putting that one in there.
Oh, it's like Thanksgiving. I drew my guy cooking up poop. I'm Landon Fries.
I'm Ryder Dillinger.
And this was Art.
Arts. Arts.
We're never doing this segment again.
Birthday. It's supposed to be a joyful event until you start getting up there in years like me. Before you start sending out those birthday cards, make sure you look on the left to say happy birthday to everybody's birthdays who are in November. August has the most celebrations, and February has the least amount of birthdays celebrated. May 22nd is the least common birthday ever. The most popular song is the happy birthday song. It goes up but never goes down. Your age, of course. Happy birthday to those in November.
I hope you all enjoyed our show. Next week is going to be Thanksgiving break, and I think after that we have about 2 weeks and 4 days left of school, so time flies. Anyways, our motto for LCC this month is about being an upstander. An upstander is the type of person who sees something and says something. They stop that thing at the very source of it. And I think we should all work hard to be that change, and to be that difference, and to be a Maverick. Let's go, Mavericks! Upstander month.